As a runner, finding the right shoe can be a game changer for your performance and comfort. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. Here are the top 7 best running shoes that are highly recommended by runners and experts alike. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus is a cutting-edge running shoe designed for serious runners who demand speed, comfort, and support. This latest iteration of the popular Pegasus series features a sleek and modern design that combines innovative technology with a comfortable fit. The shoe's upper is made with a lightweight flyknit material that provides a snug and supportive fit, while the Zoom Air unit in the heel provides cushioning and responsiveness. The Pegasus 38 also features a full-length Zoom Air unit that provides a smooth ride and excellent shock absorption. The outsole is designed with deep flex grooves for natural movement and traction, while the rubber compound provides durability and grip on various surfaces. The shoe's midfoot cage provides stability and support, while the heel clip ensures a secure fit. Whether you're training for a marathon or just going for a casual run, the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus is the perfect choice. Its combination of comfort, support, and performance makes it an excellent option for runners of all levels. With its stylish design and advanced technology, you'll be able to take your running to the next level in style. Number 6. ASICS Gel Kayano. The ASICS Gel Kayano is designed for high-arch runners who need extra support and stability during their runs. This shoe features a sleek design with a comfortable and breathable upper, while providing excellent arch support and cushioning. The Kayano series is known for its flight foam midsole, which provides a responsive and springy feel, absorbing shock and propelling you forward. The spacer mesh upper allows for maximum airflow and flexibility, keeping your feet cool and dry. Whether you're training for a marathon or just want to take your daily runs to the next level, the ASICS Gel Kayano is the perfect choice. With its unbeatable combination of support, comfort, and performance, you'll be able to push yourself to new heights. Number 5. Brooks Ghost. The Brooks Ghost is a top-of-the-line running shoe designed for runners seeking maximum comfort, support, and performance. Engineered with advanced technology and superior materials, the Ghost provides a smooth ride and exceptional cushioning to reduce the impact on your joints. The shoe's DNA LOFT midsole offers superior shock absorption and energy return, while the segmented crash pad ensures a smooth heel-to-toe transition. The Ghost's supportive and breathable upper features a seamless construction to reduce irritation and chafing, while the Ortholite sock liner provides an additional layer of cushioning and comfort. The shoe's tongue is gusseted to prevent debris from entering the shoe, keeping your feet fresh and dry. Whether you're a casual jogger or a competitive athlete, the Brooks Ghost is designed to help you achieve your running goals while minimizing discomfort. With its unparalleled comfort, support, and performance, this shoe is perfect for runners of all levels. Choose the Brooks Ghost for a smooth, effortless run that leaves you feeling energized and motivated. Number 4. New Balance Fresh Foam. Experience the ultimate comfort and performance with the New Balance Fresh Foam, a revolutionary shoe designed to keep your feet feeling fresh all day long. The Fresh Foam features a unique midsole made from a single piece of foam, providing superior cushioning and support for your feet. The Fresh Foam's upper is crafted from a breathable mesh material, allowing for maximum airflow and moisture-wicking properties to keep your feet dry and cool. The sleek and modern design is both stylish and comfortable, making it perfect for everyday wear or athletic activities. With its supportive and responsive ride, the Fresh Foam is ideal for runners, walkers, and anyone looking for a comfortable shoe that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The Fresh Foam also features a comfortable collar and tongue for added support and adjustability. Whether you're hitting the trails or running errands, the New Balance Fresh Foam is the perfect choice for those who demand comfort, performance, and style. Try it out today and experience the freshness for yourself. Number 3. ACCS Gel Cumulus. The ACCS Gel Cumulus is a premium running shoe designed to provide exceptional comfort, support, and cushioning for runners of all levels. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, this shoe is perfect for those who seek to take their running experience to the next level. The Gel Cumulus features a spacious toe box and a comfortable, breathable upper that provides a snug and secure fit. The Fluid Flight Foam midsole offers superior cushioning and energy return, while the Flight Foam heel counter provides added support and stability. The Speed EA sock liner provides additional comfort and helps to reduce foot fatigue. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, the Gel Cumulus is designed to provide a smooth and natural ride. Its moderate heel-to-toe drop allows for a comfortable stride, while the 10 mm offset provides support for runners with high arches or plantar fasciitis. With its exceptional comfort, support, and performance, the ACCS Gel Cumulus is the perfect choice for anyone seeking to improve their running experience. Try it out today and discover a more enjoyable, injury-free run. Number 2. Saucony Guide. The Saucony Guide is a premium running shoe designed for runners who require additional support and stability while still seeking a comfortable and responsive ride. Featuring a supportive and cushioned platform, this shoe is ideal for runners with flat feet, high arches, or those who pronate. The Guide boasts a durable and breathable upper made from a combination of mesh and synthetic materials, providing a snug and secure fit. The EVA topsole and PWR technology work together to offer exceptional cushioning and support, while the Power Grid technology provides a smooth and consistent ride. The outsole features a moderate heel-to-toe offset and a durable rubber compound for added traction and durability. The Guide also features a unique toe spring design, which helps to encourage a natural stride and reduce the risk of overpronation. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, the Saucony Guide offers the perfect blend of support, stability, and comfort to help you achieve your running goals. With its superior cushioning and stability features, this shoe is sure to provide a smooth and enjoyable ride for miles to come. Number 1. Under Armour Slingshot. Stay dry, stay cool, and stay focused with the Under Armour Slingshot Running Short. Designed for the serious runner, this short is engineered to perform at the highest level. Made with a lightweight, 4-way stretch fabric, the Slingshot provides a full range of motion and flexibility to keep you moving freely. The DWR, durable water repellent, finish helps to shed water and dry quickly, so you can push through any conditions. The internal mesh lining keeps you cool and breathable, while the anti-odor technology prevents the growth of odor-causing bacteria and fungi. The Slingshot short also features a built-in liner with a built-up thigh panel for added compression and support. The drawcord waistband provides a secure fit and adjustable comfort. Whether you're crushing a marathon or a casual jog, the Under Armour Slingshot is the perfect companion for your next run. With its sleek design, comfortable fit, and advanced technology, the Slingshot is the ultimate running short for runners who demand the best. Try it out today and experience the difference for yourself. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best running shoes. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.